Throw that bag, I'm a bad little bitch, nigga. Got every ex nigga mad and they big bidder. Diamonds on the chain, blinging off my tits, nigga. I hit his phone, he gon' curve her like a pitch, nigga. Worth the mean, pussy good, so we been hooked. If he got seen out with me, it's a big look. Roll the pop, body smoking like a big. What's going on, y'all? It's your girl, Alexis. What's goody? So, as y'all can see from that title today, I got this Kendra's Boutique hair. I got this 16-inch 13x6 body wave lace frontal HD per. And yeah, I got this hair and I'm gonna add it with some other Kendra's Boutique bundles that I had. So yeah, I ordered this the other day and luckily it came quicker than it already said. And I got it before Memorial Day, so I didn't get that coupon. I was so tight. But this lace looks so good though. Like, I was really happy with it, and I honestly felt like it was I wouldn't say pre-plugged, but you know. But yeah, so here I'm also doing the highlights. I didn't want too many. I just honestly wanted the front to be highlighted really pretty, but I realized towards the end, like, I definitely wanted more highlights in the back and things like that. But you guys will see that, like, later on, you know, in that. But please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is when I started rinsing the frontal out, and as you can see, I did end up like over bleaching like certain parts in the front or whatever, but because of the highlights, it really didn't matter to me. Like, I really didn't care. But I did realize, like, the first like bleaching of the knots, I feel like it didn't really take that well, so I ended up bleaching it again. Okay, but this is me here neutralizing it. It looked really natural after the first round of me bleaching the knots, but I did feel like the roots ended up getting a little bit more bleached than the knots, if that makes sense. So I ended up toning it with the Shimmerlights purple shampoo. I live by this shampoo. I need to start getting some blue shampoo, but I'm gonna stick with this for now. But yeah, so I ended up doing it a second time, and then I went in with my Aussie coconut conditioner. As you guys can see, it's definitely still giving scalp. It still looks really, really good. But, you know, I had to do it a second time. So this is the frontal the second time after I bleached it. And it definitely looks way more natural, too. It still looks good. So I would definitely recommend bleaching this frontal twice. You might have to bleach it twice because, you know, them knots were strong, girl. They were strong. Yeah. So, yeah, now this is me right when I'm about to pluck it. I plucked a little bit here on the left side. So I'm going to show you guys the right and show you the difference. But this is when I started plucking it. But, again, the hairline was so freaking seamless. It was really, really nice. So all I really did was pluck, like, more so the very, very front of the hairline. But it's already really nice. As you can see over there, it's more thicker. But the frontal pluck's nice. Oh, yeah, she was snatched, baby girl. She was snatched. That half up, half down is about to look too good. You see that? Yeah, yeah. Get into it. So I did end up plucking quite a bit out, as you can see on the floor, out the front. I just really wanted to be really natural, especially before I cut it. But that was me with the measurements on my dome cap, as I'm about to now place my frontal first. This seems like, this always been like the most effective way for me to get my custom wigs like flat and very, very accurate. Again, you guys will see in the end how accurate. But yeah, I'm just pinning that down, making sure she's no bumps, no lifts, no nothing. And I make sure my stitches are super, super close together. We not doing that lifting. It's just not happening. All right, so I'm taking these bundles now. I'm about to put in about, like, I literally put in 4 bundles in this damn wig, and it honestly ended up being so fucking heavy. I had to take some out. But yeah, this is me putting in the first bundle, all Kendra's Boutique hair. Guys, this hair is very, very thick, very, very dense, and I ended up doubling it So it ended up being really, really thick. So I would recommend guys like really spacing out and probably going like singular tracks. But I've been doing this for a while, so I really don't care when I be doubling it. But I did go heavy. So this is me at the top, like kind of closing it out. And the hair was thick, honey. It was so nice, so beautiful. You know, that them tracks was kissing that frontal. You saw that. Yeah, no spaces. But she was very full, very, very full. The frontal was still really nice, very thick as well. So it was just an overall really healthy unit, to be honest. So yeah, I cut the cap off and ended up trying it on. Girl, this is so much hair. Wait, bitch, wait, is it even the, wait, this is so much hair. Does it fit? Oh, girl, and look at the back. The back of my cap is all the way where I like it. And you see, it's not even on my ears. It's not even on my ears. I just gotta lay my, oh, bitch. So here I'm sectioning off the front pieces because like I wanted like lighter pieces in the front. And I also wanted it to like have a nice like balayage effect when like I did a middle part or side part. So that's where I kind of focused, you know, the bleach. And especially like I bleached it twice. So the first round I definitely stayed a little bit lower on the hair. I didn't go up too much like by the roots and stuff. I made sure, girl, when I tell you the blend, you see the finger work. Like the blend was crazy. Bad girl know a blend, okay? Like it was good. It was really good. So yeah, but honestly I was tight because like my phone started running out of storage around this time. So I didn't get to get a lot of footage, but you guys can still see how it came out after the second round and stuff like that. But I wanted to definitely like record it more. But I'm definitely gonna put more highlights in the back and stuff like that. But this first round was really, really cute. I think it looked really good. Like I was really proud with it. And yeah, this was me doing it on the sides. Again, not going too high up, but still getting it on there because I definitely wanted the sides to be like blonde. So yeah. So this was it after the first round of bleaching, and I didn't take a picture of it after the second round in the front, but this was me curling the wig after I blew it out and, you know, did the second round of bleach in the front and stuff. But as you guys can see, like the wig is very, very dense. Like it's a lot of hair back there. So yeah, but I was just straightening out the frontal, trying to really get that to lay properly, and my hot comb broke, so I was really like I couldn't really, you know, get it, you know, how I wanted it, but I still got it decent enough to style it, kinda. Okay guys, so as you can see, this was it. You know, this was the color kind of like in the lightish a little bit. It's really pretty. I love the front. I ended up trying it on for you guys, so enjoy. So guys, I didn't cut the lace and style it on my head yet. I just put some curls and kind of styled it on the mannequin head. But I didn't cut the lace because I still feel like there's things I want to do to this hair. I ended up having to cut out some tracks out the back because the hair was really, 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 really heavy. Like, it was really, really heavy. So, and I like it now. It's definitely still thick, still heavy, but it's not like how it was before. Like before, girl, it was just too much. Like it was just too much hair. Like it was unnecessarily too much hair in the back. But now I just feel like it's like comfortably thick. Like it doesn't matter. Like this shit is just thick, girl. This hair is just really, really thick. And that's the one thing I'm gonna tell you about Kendra. Her bundles are thick, like really heavy. So as you can see here, I wanna re-bleach this highlight that I put back here, this little peekaboo. I want to re-bleach it and like lighten it up at least one more shade to to kind of like match the front, but not really. But I think lightening it just maybe like for 15 more minutes would be cute. So, you know, I love how it came out overall though. Like, I love the lace on this wig, and I love the dye job in the front. Like, I love the highlights. I love the highlights. I love how well this hair took to bleach. Like, you see that little peekaboo highlight, girl? Woo, bitch. If you guys want to see me install this wig, let me know before next weekend. Let me know before the 10th of June, please, so I could know. But that's when I planned on putting it in. So if you guys want to see that, just let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This hair literally took me like 3 days. This is like day 3 that I'm finally freaking done, and I'm not even really done because I still got things I want to do. So when it comes to like perfection, guys, sometimes you get a little thrown off schedule, but it is what it is, because I want it to be like perfect. I really want to like it, and I don't want to have any issues with this hair. I want to love it 100%. So, you know, you can't rush greatness. You cannot rush perfection. So yeah, but like I said, guys, if y'all want to see me put in this hair next weekend, please leave a comment down below. Let me know. But yeah, guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to add me and follow me on all my social medias. Follow me on my beauty page, my regular main page. Follow me on my Instagrams, my Twitter, my TikTok. Yes, guys, just keep up with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye. Mwah.